Welcome back to the Bike Rider Pro. The 2026 new Kawasaki KE175 marks the comeback of a lightweight dual sport icon, blending retro DNA with modern engineering. Designed for riders who love simplicity, reliability, and adventure, this bike is all about pure riding fun. Classic design, modern touch. Kawasaki keeps the vintage KE spirit alive with a slim frame, round headlamp, and minimalist bodywork. Now upgraded with LED lighting, refreshed graphics, and improved ergonomics for daily comfort and trail control, engine and performance. Powered by a refined 175cc single-cylinder engine, the new KE175 focuses on smooth torque delivery, fuel efficiency, and easy maintenance. It's tuned for city cruising, dirt trails, and weekend exploration without stress. Dual sport capability. With long travel suspension, high ground clearance, and dual-purpose tires, the KE175 handles rough paths and paved roads with equal confidence. It's light, agile, and forgiving, perfect for beginners and experienced riders alike. Modern features. The 2026 model brings practical upgrades like fuel injection, improved braking, a digital analog instrument cluster, and better emissions compliance, keeping the bike simple but future-ready. Expected price and target riders. Expected to be affordable and budget-friendly. The KE175 is aimed at students, commuters, and off-road enthusiasts who want a dependable bike without unnecessary complexity. Final verdict. The 2026 Kawasaki KE175 is not about extreme speed. It's about freedom, reliability, and fun. If you want a no-nonsense dual sport with classic roots and modern reliability, this bike deserves your attention. And subscribe for more 2026 bike reveals and honest reviews from Kawasaki.